Here it is. I've waited a long time. So excited. This is the Kizer Sheepdog. What cool packaging too. Look, it's magnetic. Passion, pride, performance. Man, they really make a big deal out of this. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Thank you for choosing Kizer. Vanguard glass knife. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, there's a little cleaning deal now for what we came for, right? Yes. Man, this is a chunky knife. Let's see how it flips. Ooh, that's good. Oh man, that thing's awesome. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, let's do a sharp test. Now for the paper test. Let's see. Oh, caught on it. Might have a burr there. Yep, got a burr right there. Let's drop this thing and come back to it. Okay, stropped. Let's see, here we go. Oh yeah. That is sharp. This is one verified confetti maker. There we go. The Kizer Sheepdog. What are we gonna call this? The regular blade is, what is it? Oh, S35VN. And it's the titanium handle. It's anodized blue. We'll compare this to a Benchmade in length in a second. I really love the details on this. This little bezel on the pivot, and these cool brass or gold anodized screws on the standoffs on the back here. And then it's really great when the blade is closed. You can see that really cool blade through those cutouts. And then the lock is great. It's got that nice stainless lockout piece made of the same stuff as the blade, so it doesn't wear the lockout. And you know, it's got a good 30-35% overlap, I'd say, so it ought to hold pretty strong. Okay, my thoughts on the Sheepdog. First off, it is not as long as it appears to be. Here's a Benchmade 940-1, and it's the same length. Difference is this is 2 ounces and this is 6.5. So what am I going to carry in my pocket every day? Probably the Benchmade. This is fun. Here's another comparison. Smaller knife. Here is a little Kershaw. So it's not terribly big, it just gives the impression it's really big because the blade is so wide. But super sharp. S35VN steel blade, should last a long time, be very durable, and it's so much fun. I like a knife that has a good action. This little assisted Kershaw is a good example of that. Man, they're fun. And that Benchmade, oh man. But none of them compare to this thing. I mean, the thwack it makes when it opens. Oh, it's just authoritative. And the look on the other dad's faces when you go to open a kid's birthday present with that, worth every penny. What do I think? Is it worth the $200 they ask for it? Maybe. I'll carry this for a while and let you know.